AI Chatbot Setup Guide for Small Businesses. Picture this. It's 10 p.m. on a Tuesday, and someone lands on your website ready to book. They've got one question: how much you charge or whether you're taking new clients. Nobody's there to answer, so they leave. That sale just walked out the door. This happens to small business owners every single day. The fix isn't hiring someone to sit at a computer all night. It's an AI chatbot that answers automatically, including at 10 p.m. on a Tuesday. But here's what most guides won't tell you. A badly set up chatbot is worse than none at all. One that gives wrong answers or sounds robotic can push customers away faster than an empty chat window. Start here. Map your questions. Before downloading any tool, spend 20 minutes reviewing your email, DMs, and reviews. What questions come up over and over? Most small businesses find the same 10 to 15 patterns: hours, pricing, booking, what's included, refund policy, location, turnaround time. Write these down with your actual answers. This becomes your chatbot's brain. Skip this, and the AI will guess, and guess wrong in front of real customers. Choose your tool type. Two options exist. Rule-based chatbots follow scripts you write, cheaper but stiff. AI-powered chatbots read your content and answer naturally, more flexible and useful for most small businesses. If you have fewer than 15 employees, the AI version is worth it. Customers notice the difference. Look for a tool trained on your content, FAQ, PDFs, website, a free trial, and something that embeds without a developer. Train your chatbot. Training isn't coding, it's feeding the bot your business information. Most tools let you paste your FAQ, upload PDFs, or scan your website automatically. Include hours and location, pricing or price ranges, how customers book, your cancellation/refund policy, and common objections. Be specific. Within 48 hours of booking only beats quick refunds. The critical fallback. No AI gets everything right. When it doesn't know an answer, it should say, "I'm not sure about that one. Want me to pass this along to the team?" and collect contact info. A chatbot admitting it doesn't know builds more trust than one confidently making something up. Have it notify you by text or email. Deploy and monitor. Place the chat widget on high-hesitation pages, pricing, booking, homepage, not the footer. Once live, spend 10 minutes weekly reviewing conversations. Catch mistakes early. If it's been saying you're open Sundays when you're not, fix it in week 2, not week 12. The honest limitation. These tools excel at straightforward, factual questions. But an upset customer or complicated multi-part issue, the AI won't handle it like a person would. Think of it as a first line. It handles the easy stuff, so you focus on situations needing real judgment. A plumbing company that answers 2 questions at midnight: service area and water heater cost. Just caught a customer who would have bounced. That's the win. Take action. You don't need a big budget or tech background. You need an hour, your most common questions, and the right tool. Start small, review often, update when things change. Your after-hours customers will thank you.